So now let me just change the title because the title is going to be wrong. Um, so part 2 of serialization of the schema in OCaml. These two, go. Okay, so how do you do this thing again? You need to do some sort of like a open
Like
init, I believe.
opening, yeah. We need to run open init.
Why my keyboard is doing
Just
that?
with, yes. And then you run eval open env.
And there was a reason why we cannot just put this inside the hook that I don't recall. That's okay. So now you see the source, you do a
The
Dune
reason
build.
for that is because if you don't have it initialized on the first time, and that requires like prompt. So like the
Uh,
first time you run, it requires you to
I
press
am missing, I didn't install the thing. So how do you install things? Dune what?
open install ppx protocol conv. Open
Open
install.
install ppx protocol conv. Anyway, okay. Oops. Yes. So as far as I can tell, this thing generates. It is still wrong. Are you sure?
It was just that, as far as I recall. Oh yeah, maybe you need the XML and maybe.
As far as I
It
can tell,
seems like
this library generates functions. It's almost like a
yes,
yeah, but then
that
the
speed strings. Yes,
yeah, but the problem the
formats.
yeah, but the problem is another thing. The problem is uh, that uh, what is the problem here? The problem is that I recall that we couldn't find these functions, right? Like b to x whatever. That's what I want to try in the terminal right now. So what is the terminal again? Do OCaml?
No,
Just
it
OCaml?
was like to run everything,
No,
right?
no, no. I want to go to the repo.
Oh, do new top.
This should work. Okay, Dune utop.
Dunes. Yes,
Are you sure it's utop?
yes.
I recall that we used something different.
No, go.
I'm 99% sure. Okay. So
Now you need to open Camelot.
open.
Oh, to test you don't, right? But we have the types that we already defined, maybe. Semicolon, semicolon.
Okay. So we have the type. What is the name? We have this, right? We have this. So type of the name of this type is T inside the module. So open AST, right?
Yeah.
So T, no. Because
Uh,
my question is that as you can see here, look at here. It's doing a type B, and then it's the name, the generated function is using like B to whatever. What is the name of our type instead of B?
well, it is T.
It is T.
Yeah, it should be T2, blah, blah, blah.
Um,
Or unless there's some special handling. Can you type like true XML? No, there's no.
there's only this. Are we
Type,
opening the? Are we
type.
opening the thing? Yes, we are
Oh,
opening the
type.
thing.
Oh, no, no, type. So do type dot, no, capital letter, dot. There they are. Yeah, but there's T there, but there's no like true blah blah blah. Yeah, it's not dot. Dot is just for modules, by the way.
Yeah, but do you see there of
Yeah,
XML?
there's offs, but there's no T, right?
Okay,
Can you
let's try the
put it
following. Let's replace this with JSON
with
and see if
JSON?
we have.
Yeah, I would say this. So just,
So this is gonna be JSON,
I hope it's just JSON.
and then this is just JSON.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but I believe we're gonna have a problem with that. How do I leave this thing?
Control
Exit,
D.
Control D,
You need to pass a number like 1.
Control D.
Yeah.
So I believe, let's just confirm that hypothesis. Yes, this is not gonna work. First thing, am I using
Need
the
to
correct
install.
thing? Yes, I need to install, yes. Which means changing the Dune again.
Unfortunately.
Uh, I don't know how this works, but let's
Just
just
go ahead.
swap it.
Yeah, but
Let's
you're
see.
still using the XML there, so remove from the import.
We are using the XML.
You commented. Never mind then.
No, okay. Maybe you're
I'll
using the
read it.
main as well? Yeah, we are.
Yeah. And
Um,
I'm not
Dune,
serializing.
this is like that, yes. Do we have it
Yeah.
in here? We have it in here as well.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I believe this is now that, and then we just do this. Wow, that uses a lot of stuff.
Yes.
Just for the sake of serializing it. What else do you need to serialize aside from types?
Uh, Types like when we are saying types, the definition of the tables, right? That's the part that matters.
Yeah,
So that
okay. Open
yeah,
Camelot.
can't think of anything. Oh, but
Open
no,
AST, and then
definitions of
type.
the tables already embed that. So
It is still missing the thing. It is now off JSON.
could it be the name? Oh, there's PP there. Huh, that's strange. Could it be the name of the table of
Uh,
the type? Try another one that is not T, that is named something else. Not this. Like try uh deriving to another or change the name of T, although it would break everything. Do the following. Define a type. Copy this. Copy this. Exactly this. Yes. Because I suspect.
it can't be
No, no,
inside a
no, dude.
module?
No, dude. Based on the REPL.
Oh, on the REPL.
Yeah, I think it might be the name, like T. If that is, it's Clown World. But let's see.
No, it is still broken. It is still not generating the
How
thing.
was it using it? Was it B?
Yeah, look.
Huh.
What is vol, by the way? Is this? Oh, I remember this from
Yeah, it's a
Fractaml. This is the
side
signatures only.
signature.
Yeah, so we are missing something, or this
That is
is
one.
outdated. But nobody is talking about that. Hmm.
Yeah.
So
It must be something very
PPX,
dumb in
we
this case.
must be missing something. We must be missing something. Oh, this is probably just automatically generated. Huh. Huh, 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 huh. Okay. JSON. Uh, Used by, again, the same as before. WS3.
Yeah.
Uh,
Good.
I think
We
we need to be missing something, dude. We need
we
to be
could
missing something.
serialize to Proto, but I think it's a whole other hassle to do it.
Yeah, that sounds very bad. That sounds very bad.
Yeah, it is bad.
Are we consulting this right though? Like, is this supposed to be available on the REPL, or is this only generated at runtime?
Uh, is this supposed to be available in the REPL? Well, it
Yeah.
should, right?
I think
It
I
should.
think I think we can test it. So let's just paste this here and let's go to the main function, and
Yeah.
then we already are opening there. So instead of doing unit here, we can just use this. So it's gonna be, we need a value of b first. So let's make a value. This is gonna be st. I don't know, a. Is that the thing? Yeah, a and then a number.
Mm-hmm.
So a, I don't know, 10 in, and then we do, and then we do um, print,
And line.
print end line, and then we do ast b to JSON, and then we put the value,
Mm-hmm.
and then we put this is gonna thing make the thing go to JSON. Then we
And then
call b of JSON, whatever this is. Oops, wrong wrong shortcut. And then we just, yeah, just that. So we are going
yeah,
back and forth, back and
yeah, but
forth.
wait, that's not gonna print, right? Because you don't have a way to serialize true string the a. You can just bind it to a val and see if it compiled. Like let empty equals, you see,
Repeat.
let
Let.
the instead let nothing wildcard equals to this and remove the print end line.
Like that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
uh, okay.
Um,
Dune build worked, I believe.
yeah, that's strange, but let's see.
Well, actually, that's. Oh yeah, it worked. That
Hmm.
really worked. So I guess these things are created at
Uh,
runtime, dude.
try this with the T.
Okay. So this will be. We need a value from t first. So what do we have in here? So let's put a t integer. So let's put, instead of value, this is gonna be type integer 32. Then, but then that's the question. What is the generated name of this thing?
Oh, it should be following the same T to JSON
But that's gonna be generated in which, like, namespace or whatever?
type.
Type?
Yeah.
I have very strong feelings that this is this is not correct. But okay. Dune build. Okay, so unbound constructor type. Actually, this is t integer. Thank you. Okay. Okay, it's complaining now that the type. No, it is still. It is asking. Do you mean of JSON whatever whatever? You see?
So it doesn't find when it's T. I really do think it's the name, dude. Like T. It doesn't understand what T is. That would be very stupid, but I think that's it.
So whatever we are doing it wrong, right? Whatever we are doing it wrong. Let's try a thing. Let's try to put this thing inside here and see what happens. So I'm gonna put it there. I need to reverse this file to whatever it was before. Yeah. So now this is actually this is wrong. This is gonna be type dot a, right? And this is gonna be type dot b. And now this also is type dot b. Okay. Let's see if this works. Huh. It seems that it does. It seems that it does. So now I'm very confused because now we are using exactly the same thing, right?
Yes.
But instead of B, it's T here. Um, um, So this is type dot t integer 32, like that. And I should pay attention to the chat as well. Okay, go back, save this. See here? It is even saying this. Like,
What?
oh, I don't understand T of JSON. I just understand B of JSON.
Man, this is what? This is so arcane. Like, what? What's the rule to make a
Oh, this is wrong, right?
show? No.
No, this is not off protocol,
Oh,
right?
oh, oh, yes, indeed. That's wrong.
Why it compiled before?
So wait. Does the B have off as well?
No, it doesn't. It is this.
No. What I'm saying, like the B doesn't have functions to do off. It does, right? You just did it, I guess.
I have no idea if the B has the functions, but I want to also remove the show just to see. Ah, okay, unbound value. Oh, because the
Like,
statements are also printable.
yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, you should keep the show though.
no. I want to see first if we are doing something wrong syntax-wise.
Yes, yeah,
Wait,
it's still
wait.
gonna break everywhere because we use it.
Are we using the show? Really?
Yeah, dude, in multiple places.
Isn't this just for debugging?
Check. Oh, well, you removed the show actually. You didn't remove the
No, I
show
wanted to
clause.
remove the show because an error before was saying that.
Yeah, but it's because you removed the other thing. That was wrong.
Yeah, but it is still complaining, dude. It is still complaining about it. And now we are doing exactly the same thing. It is exactly the same. What are we missing here?
Um, IQ maybe.
What do you mean? IQ.
Well,
Oh,
well,
we're doing something dumb.
yes.
Because it is generating this, but it's not generating the other one. Main, whatever.
Can you name T to something else? Can
Sure.
you name T to B?
C.
Oh, yeah, C. Remove the B, by the way. Yeah, but you're gonna have to change everywhere on this module that uses T to C. Oh, and
Everybody.
potentially many other places as well. But like,
Yeah, but that's what I don't want. Oh
yeah,
my boy. Okay. I wonder what is this at key stuff.
I don't know as well.
I wonder what is that because the only thing that we are doing differently than this thing is that we have this and we don't have this.
Can you see on the docs what it says about key?
Which
Search for
docs?
key. Well, search keys. Key.
I don't think it's gonna say anything about it.
Maybe it's
True protocol the deriver will generate serialization of the type. Okay, attributes. Okay, record label names can be changed using this. Variant and polymorphic variant constructor names can be changed using this. If a record field is unpresent in the input when deserializing,
this the default.
as default value can be assigned using this. If the value to be serialized matches the default value, the field will be omitted. Some drivers will allow this ability to this functionality. The PPX handles signatures, but this allows this, and this, and also does not impact signatures. Drivers concrete serialization and deserialization implement their own custom drivers. It is easy to provide custom drivers implementing the signature this. See drivers directory to implement on how to implement new drivers. Submissions of new drivers are more than welcome. Yeah, so my understanding. My understanding. Hmm. Okay,
I think
it's not
it's
saying that we need these things.
yeah, I think it's just for changing the name on how it's gonna represent. If you have like a weird name in OCaml, how you're gonna serialize that maybe.
Yeah, so let's do the following. I want to change one of these to be like this. Let's see if this is still works. Value. Let's change this to B. Let's change this to B as well. Yeah, let's do that. Ah, this
Hmm.
expression has type T. Oh, okay. Now you can go. Okay, okay. So it indeed worked like this. Okay, now I want to see if I can do it like that. Ah, forgot about that. I'm using A here. Is B a thing? Yeah, B is a thing. The hell, dude? Okay, so now we are pretty much close, very, very close,
I feel like
of
a clown, dude, right
of
now.
having T, right? It's really, really, really close now. Really close. But the only difference is the name. The only difference is the name.
It's
Okay,
very.
I'm gonna be a lot more pedantic now. It's even formatted in the same way. So let's see if this. Oops. Let's see if this works now.
I bet it won't. But let's see.
If it's the name, that's gonna be so terribly bad.
Yes, that's probably the name, dude.
But that doesn't make sense.
I think that T like is a inner type, so that's why they block it maybe. But they don't. They should warn if that's the case. I don't know.
Okay, so what you're telling me is that if I copy paste this, and I just, oops, I don't know what happened there, and I just changed T to C, right?
Probably should work. Yes, but it needs to change C everywhere.
You gotta be freaking kidding me, dude.
I hate my
What the hell? That doesn't make sense. Wow, dude. Wow.
That was a major retarded. This is man. This is like me for mom some like stupid system. Like this is what it makes you.
Why with T doesn't work?
I have no idea.
Okay, so let's start translating it.
It just works.
I'm gonna assume I can do that. Let's actually test that out. Oh, now everything is wrong. What's the name that you're gonna use? We can't use T anymore.
Um, put something like
What about that?
that's no. I don't know, dude.
We can't use T because.
Yes, like A. I don't know.
Okay, A. A is fine.
That's stupid, but no, man. Let's name it something meaningful, dude. Like type P. No, that's bad. Uh, l- I don't know if that's gonna work, dude. On serializing, let's not use the prime. Let's see. What about
TT?
SQL? No, no, not SQL. Uh, it's already like language. So like language primitives. Primitives. Perfect. That's
P then.
it. Primitives. No, primitives. Literally type primitives. There's no mistake. Yes. This should be fine.
Okay, so now we're gonna have to change primitive. Oops. Primitive. I'm gonna change. I'm gonna have to change everywhere primitive because dude. Here primitive. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay, this was our attempt on serializing ourselves, and now we can uncomment this, uncomment that. Okay, so now we need to go to the other. No, it's still complaining here, so 991. Oh yeah. No, now it's having the same issue. Oh no, I
Mhm.
typed C.
Yeah, it's some place that you forgot.
Now it is primitive.
This is gonna be
It works!
disgusting. Oh, yeah, there was an error up there, wasn't it?
No.
Okay, it was. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So it
So,
just
but
clown
wait,
pack.
now no,
Which
now
means
we can try to make XML. Now that we know that maybe the problem was the same. So now that we know that, let's just
yeah,
do.
not particularly like rooting for XML either, but well, if it works, I think it's less bloat
Okay, so let's comment
and it's more
this,
expressive as well.
and let's
As
comment
well.
that, and comment that, and then XML. It's XMLM, I believe. Then we're gonna have to change the both Dune files again to
Mhm.
use what it was before. XMLM. Yeah.
XMLM, yes.
Okay. And then in here, instead of doing to JSON and off JSON, oops, oops, it's gonna be XMLM, XMLM, yes, and off XMLM. Dune build. It worked? Yeah.
Okay.
The problem was the T.
Man, this is the worst. This is the worst problem, dude, because it doesn't mean anything.
What do you mean?
Like, wow, we don't know. Like, it doesn't break. It doesn't tell you. Like, it's okay. It's a preprocessor, so kind of makes sense. But yeah, like this is
Yeah,
very
it is the same level of safety as macros, dude.
yeah, but dude, like type classes, they should show you. Like this is very inferior.
Oh yeah, this is very inferior to type classes.
I mean, they give you the power to modify the syntax. That's that is a good thing that I think type classes don't.
What do you mean by
Uh,
change the syntax?
yeah, like for example, making a funny let thing. Like you can do it, or modifying like let with random things that act like a let, but it's actually a bind. Let's say, but that's just a function in the end. Yeah, I don't think that's much of a difference in OCaml though, because yeah, I don't think so.
Anyway, we can now do it. So
I think
now
they modified the AST though. That's the difference.
they modify
That's what I
the
mean by
AST.
modifying the syntax. Yeah, because they probably they're applying a preprocessor, so they modify the AST before. So that would make sense, but
Are you talking about our AST, like this type?
uh, no, AST like the OCaml AST.
Ah, how come?
Well, it's a preprocessor, dude. If it's doing what it should, then it is modifying it.
No, but it is a preprocessor, but in my eyes, it's not doing changing the AST of a comma. It's just generating functions in runtime. So why you see this as changing Okamo's AST?
No, I'm not saying this is doing this, but
Oh,
it's a preprocessor, so it can do
oh, we
this.
can, yes, we can. Anyway, now we have the option to finally go back to. I don't even remember which file it was that. Probably
So
this.
we need to basically modify the entire AST file to make it to have the rest being serialized and then just serializing the map with that's the schema right
Yeah,
now.
but where we where we're doing that? Because I remember we already started at some point.
You remember that we started at some point.
Yeah, it was close to here. Calculate size. It's not this. We don't need split groups anymore. Like we made these functions because we are using it somewhere. Like calculate size, we also were using it somewhere.
Yes. We were using, I think,
Calculate
on the IO.
write on disk.
Yeah.
So this is getting, it's finding the table, calculating its size.
Why are you looking at this function?
Because I want to know where we were writing the serialization of the schema. Have we
No, that's
started doing
not
that?
there. No, we were just trying with the library, dude. Like, that was just trial and error.
No. We already we did a lot of stuff, dude. Like these are sketches of what we did
Oh, okay.
last time.
Yeah, I think I removed it because
Oh,
it was
that's
useless.
why. Well, not useless, but it was harder than we wanted to go for.
Oh, that was. Victor has a perfectly expressive term for this that I cannot put it here.
Ah.
And there's no translation for this in English, I guess.
Okay, type it on the chat. I can see it later.
Okay.
Uh,
That's the term that Victor uses. It's so expressive.
yeah. No, that's pretty much it.
Oh man, that's perfect.
Okay, so what we want to do is to serialize. Is to serialize. So we want this to actually return bytes, right?
Yeah.
So how are we doing that? No. Yeah, here. We need a thing. We need a thing. So convert literal. It's converting a literal to a value, I believe.
Wait. I
Convert
wait.
row.
Wait, dude. Let's start with the down there. On the not on the IO. Ignore the IO, dude. Like this has nothing to do what we want to do.
No, I just wanted to. Oh god. I just wanted to see how we are calling it here. This is what we need. We want to have a function that receives a schema and returns bytes.
Yes.
That's what we want.
Oh, I don't think it returns bytes on the serialized T. It should return a string, which is
String.
the yeah, which is the XML.
Oh. So this will return. Oh god. What is the type of that?
XML.t, I think.
XML.t?
I think it was like that. Check the page.
Probably.
Yeah, there's just a JSON, right?
Yeah, it's just JSON, but I'm changing to XML.t. Anyway, so I already forgot. Oh man, some of those things that we did last time that you deleted, those are really useful. Let me check the commits.
That's dude. That's just like recursing over the
Yeah, but I
things.
don't
Like,
remember the syntax anymore.
oh, dude, it's matching. How do you forget this, dude? There's
I
no way
already
around.
forgot. I already forgot. I'm sorry. So did we? So we made a function called parse schema.
Yeah.
Mm, but we're not converting this to a list. Okay, let's do it from scratch again then. Just wait 1 second. I gotta go attend this.
Okay. So, by the way, let's stop then, and let's. I'll have to grab dinner as well. Oh, you left.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm back.
Let me go have dinner as well then. Yeah, man. I'm starving.
Uh, can we just try to remember how?
Well, I know how. It match, and then you iter. So you iterate over the schema. I described exactly what it is. You iterate over it. By the way, look in the one commit before. I think I committed. Can I see here?
No, 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 no. You committed where?
You committed one. Check your commit on the chat here on Discord. There is CamelotDB. There is a one commit before that you did that is a draft for it. So I
Yeah, yeah,
suppose.
yeah. But in this, I'm not doing. What do we actually want to do? Can you describe it to
Okay,
me on a
so
high level?
okay, on a high level it is you iterate over the schema. So you actually fold. So we're folding, right? And folding, we need to recompose all the things that are inside with a. I think it would be more useful converting them the map, the schema, sorry, which is a map, to
Yeah.
a list, right, of tuples.
Yeah,
And
that's what
then
I want, but I don't think we did that last time.
yeah, and then you what you want to do is map this schema. So it's not a fold, it's a map. Sorry. So you map the map uh, into a with the name of the entity, and if it is a table, you just call the serialization of the table, which is the entity up there. So you just serialize the entity. And then how do you serialize a table? Well, you serialize a table by serializing the rows, which is another map. You see? So you just keep going like this. So I think the first thing that could help a lot is if it serializes a map. I don't think the library does it because a map is a module in OCaml. So
Yeah, that makes sense.
so you would probably try to serialize a list. If it serializes a list,
Yeah, but
then
that's a
that's it.
fold anyway, right? Because
Yeah,
we want a
because you can
final
just do
XML later.
you can just convert a map to a list and then you serialize the list instead.
No, 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 yes, but do you agree that you convert the map to a list, map the list with change into XML, and then fold it to make a single XML out of the list of XMLs?
Yeah, okay. Yeah. But yeah, I don't think you need to fold. You can probably like make an XML node with this library and link all the rest with it. I guess. But anyway, let's
That's
be
very
confirmed that this
ambitious.
is when we generate the thing. We don't
There's
have
another
this.
problem though. There's another problem. To serialize a thing of the table, a table is a map of a string to a T, right? Don't these
Uh-huh.
T's also need to be serializable to XML?
Don't these T's need to also be serialized? I didn't get
Serializable?
it.
Yeah, because we are gonna let me go back. So in the schema, it's a map from a string to an entity, right?
Yes.
Oh, now it's showing stuff. Okay, anyway. My question is, if we want to serialize entities, we need to be able to serialize both a table and a procedure, right?
Yeah.
So this also needs to have a deriving. Do you agree?
Yeah. What's the problem?
No, the problem is that the name is T. That's the first problem.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Just name in this case.
um, okay, so primitive, right? Table info. It is complaining. Oh no, this is T. This is T because this is the map. And then I need the deriving stuff again in here.
But dude, I really need to go in a sec.
You
I'll
can
be
go. You
back.
can go. You can go. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do is to change this to primitive. Let's comment this out. Let's see if this works. Because it's still complaining a lot. So let's see. Doom build. Unbound value table info whatever whatever. Oh, I see the problem. I see the problem. So we cannot serialize a map. Oh no. We cannot serialize a map. Oh, that's really terrible. Can we just put this in here to see what happens? Although that doesn't make sense. Like, doesn't make sense to serialize a module, right? Doesn't make sense. Okay, we are completely screwed, I believe, then. Because that means that we cannot just serialize entities at all. We need to serialize it by hand. Ah, that's really bad. Really bad. Yeah. Okay, so primitive does not. That's terrible. That's really bad. Really, really bad. Okay, so let list map equals to logical map. Oh, there's no list, right? To sac. Maybe it is list dot offsec. Okay, maybe the list it is a thing, but it is off to yeah. So offsec. Yeah, in. This expression has type blah blah blah, but it was expected. Oh, I need to put the schema. Okay, so schema. Yeah. Then we're gonna do a list map. Yes. Then we're gonna have a function, and then the function, then the list, and then we are cool. So list map. Let serialized list. Yeah, there. So fun element. Okay. Each element in this particular case is a pair of a string with a primitive. It's a pair of a string with a primitive. Oh, this is the key. This is the key. Mm-hmm. So I believe we can just deconstruct it. So theme and then content, like that. So this is the string and this is the primitive. Now that's the problem. Okay, so now I need to do a match on the content with, and then if it is a table, so entity dot table. A table is constructed out of two things. Um, it is a map, and I believe this is the row ID. Yeah. So it is constructed out of two things. So this is gonna be the rows, and this is gonna be the row ID. Yeah. Then we do this. This is a map. So let list map again. Let row map. It is table. Oops. Entity. Table info. To sec. Rows. Oh, that's not the rows. That's the metadata. So this is metadata. Metadata. And then list of sec in. So this is that. This is this. And then for each field metadata, we do have the deriving, which is cool. So this is gonna be a. Let's see if the documentation has something about this. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Generate the functions, this. Okay, so we'll have to use. How can we fuse the XML stuff? Combine XML, multiple XMLs into one OCaml. What? No, no, no. What is the name? Easy XML, easy XML, OCaml. Yes, that's what we need. GitHub. So what are the functions that you use, my man? Online, blah blah blah. Online docs. Nothing. Awesome. Discussion, bugs. You also should be able to see examples. Don't we have examples? How great. Lib. XML, ML. From to write document to channel to string make members with data from make tag. These are just the signatures, right? Yeah, just the signatures. Just the signatures. So we want something like a node. Head. Return the first tag in the list of nodes. Pick tags. Filter map. Traverse. Pick tags. To string. To output from. Oh boy. It is the same. It is totally the same. XMLM. Wait.
Okay, let's see this trash.
You eat
Any?
fast.
Yeah, it was just a lunch. I am not very lunch. Is well, it's not the word that I wanted in English, but you got the point.
Yeah, that's a
Uh,
false cognito or
yeah.
something.
Okay,
So
so
what I did is this, and I got to the point that I am now in the point of folding. Oh, and there's a problem. So as you predicted, the deriving of the XMLM, it cannot derive map,
which makes sense because it's a module.
which means that we cannot just do deriving of this because it's complaining that this doesn't have it.
Yeah.
So my plan is to like we're gonna do a fold in the map, and
But why?
uh, we want a fold because we want to combine all the XMLs, right?
No, you wait, dude. You don't even need to do this.
What do you mean?
We can just write multiple XMLs separated by like I don't know a new line
Oh, that
or like
works.
a bar.
Yeah, that works. I'm not
Yeah,
a fan
at least
of
you
it, but
see.
that works.
Yeah, I mean,
Map. Okay, so I'm gonna have to grab my food in a little bit, but what we will be doing is the name of the. I think this is the name of the field at this point. Um, the. Oh no, this is the metadata. Yes. So it's gonna be. Oh, I already called something metadata. Okay, so let's be a little bit more fair. So field metadata, right? And then this is gonna be what is this again? A name and a metadata. So the name, I believe, is the name of the column, and the metadata is this. So what you're gonna do is column name, and then a metadata. Yes, this is the metadata. Oh, it is not yet deriving it. So row map. Actually, this is a column map. Yep. So this should already be deriving, yes. And then we do the following. We need to serialize these two things to XML, right?
yeah.
So one of these things, which is the entity, you're gonna be able to do this field metadata to XML.
Yeah, it's a function, and then we just do the same thing, the same trick with a list there.
Metadata, yes, the outer list will follow the same procedure. What I don't know how we're gonna do is how we're gonna bind the name in the two instances, right? This name and this name.
Bind the name. Wait.
Yeah, because they are we need to understand how they serialize tuples. Is tuple serializable? I believe so, right?
Try. I don't think it is.
You don't think it is? That's cool.
How would be a tuple in an XML?
Well, I don't know. It depends on the convention, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure they do it either way.
Anyway, we're gonna have to do this sort of trick anyway. So, for instance, you're gonna for now, just for the sake of committing, I'm
Man,
gonna
in
put
abstract
this.
was so easy, dude.
Yeah, but something that we always need to keep in mind is that F Sharp has the entire .NET at its
Yes,
disposal, right?
which I'm very thankful for.
Yeah, now you should. Now you should be very thankful for. Uh, so um, this is that. This is that. No, this is wrong. Okay, so this is correct. And after we are done with this, uh, after we are done with the inner list, which is the field metadata list, yes, then we need to combine it again. So I need a let actually in here. So this is going to be a let serialized list in, and then in here you're going to just return a tuple, which is the name the serialized list, and the row ID. Yeah, and then we need now to discover how we're gonna serialize these three things together. Well, that's it. It's complaining now because the serialized list now is this. Do you understand this? Does this make sense to you?
Yes, kinda does, but I'm not sure that's the easiest way to do it.
Well, when you grab it the code, you can make it easier. So status
Or not, I can film it.
git add git commit start serializing with XML. The fact that the problem was the T, that was very unexpected to say the least. I'll be back. Oh,
Okay.
can you share your screen so I can put the stream
Yeah,
looking at
push
you?
this.
I already pushed.
You did? Okay,
Yeah.
this didn't see.
So if you can share the screen, just for me to set it up. Okay. Okay, I'll be back.
Let's fetch git pull origin master. There we go. Oh Lord. Let's see the library. ppx OCaml XML conv. That is not it. Okay. So open init and define, just to grab this. Then we do Emacs. Open here and let's try to compile. So src don't build. It's gonna fail. That's fine. Okay, so AST and it stopped here, I guess. There it is. Okay, so let's revisit the code. So serialize, we grab T.
Okay, I brought the food. I'm
Okay,
here.
can you see my screen like this?
Yeah.
Okay, so you're converting to a sequence, then you convert it to a list. Because because maps are cringe and they don't have a true list. Then you just map the list with the name and the content, and you match the content to see if it is a table. Let's already do the fall. I would say like let's better match to see if it is a procedure, but we are mapping, right? So I think we should first filter and then we do this, but let's do it later.
Makes
Let's
sense?
consider just do this first. So and then we do field data, field metadata. This is another record, so we need to do this BS again. And then you map again. Dude, let's do it here. Like this is so you pick the column name, the metadata, and then you just pick a tuple. First thing first, I think we should see if a tuple is compatible with this. What's the name of the library again? It's not this, right?
No, it is ppx conv ppxconv XML. It is in the Dune file.
Yeah, but okay.
Yeah, ppx protocol conv
Protocol.
XML.
Okay. This would be trivial in most languages, like Clojure. Oh man, why? Okay, so they have YAML. We can serialize to YAML. Do you like it?
Sure.
I would cringe doing this. Really hard. It's enough of cloud already using YAML. Um, I'm kind of worried because I don't see anything with a tuple, which is, and I don't know how to serialize a tuple to begin with. They have other formats as well that we could do. YAML is a good one to be fair. What is message pack, dude? I've never
I
heard
have
of
no
it.
idea.
It's like JSON but fast and small. Of course, Redis and Pinterest use it. What that dude? This thing is a virus. Look at how many libraries, how many languages implement this. Okay. Yeah. Uh, how can I handle this though? How can we handle a tuple? Well, let's try to serialize like this. I don't think it will work, but let's see. A column name. Okay, so this in the end is just a string with a easy XML node.
Yeah, because the field metadata, I could derive the XML
Hmm.
auto conversion.
And in the end, you just spit a string, which is the name of the table.
Table. Yeah.
Uh, I would say let's put like table name.
Yeah.
Of course, it's not that simple, right? To just rename Animax. Table. There. There. Okay, so table name, and then in the end, we just spit with this, which is the module, but as a list, right? And then the role ID, which should be fairly trivial as well to serialize. Okay,
Yeah. So now we
now
need to discover how to serialize the.
and you did for this.
Yeah.
Wait, you didn't do for this, did you?
Yeah, I did.
Oh,
I added the deriving.
yeah, I see. So okay, the problem was the primitive only.
Yeah. The problem was the primitive.
So let's think of this. We need to basically just note that this is the beginning of this entity, and then just spit the bunch of XMLs, and then just get it back and deserialize one by one. So I think we can just add a splitter that we know that will be there, and it's different than XML, like this, or I don't know, this. Like you see, yeah, like that's dumb, but it
We're
works.
gonna have an
So
impure XML, dude.
well, who cares, dude? We're gonna convert to bytes anyway to compress it, so it's okay. Uh, all right. So I think we can literally just this list here is a list of the strings. Okay, perfect. Because we can just loop over this thing. Oh, that's perfect then. I think. Mm, oh, dude, this is already grouped, right? This is already
Mm-hmm.
grouped by. Okay, but I think it would help if the name is outside. Like the name and the role ID are outside. Do you see?
The name and the row ID is outside. What do
Yeah,
you mean by outside?
because you can literally just loop by these two, and then you make another inner loop that loops over the attributes. You see? So
Mm.
something like a group by first. So let's see if we do it here. So grouped by this random name. Put my cursor here. It's annoying me. Um, and then it is serial. Oh, let's see if a list has it first. Group. Oh no, please. Please, OCaml. Oh man. Are you serious? Like, oh man. I have to implement my own group by? Are you kidding me?
Sequence has it.
Sequence has it. Okay.
Yeah.
So let's not even use list then. Let's just keep
Let me
using
just double
the
check this because I remember from the last session that I was looking to list and sequence.
sec dot group. There is group, but
I
what does
think
it
group
take?
is group by.
Yeah, it takes a predicate, so it spits a bool, and then it picks a sequence. Yes. So let's not even convert. Why doesn't list has it, dude? I don't.
Actually, that's maybe that's a thing we should ask OCaml developers. Like, do you guys use lists at all? Because the majority of useful functions live in sequence.
Yeah, now the outside is a sequence. The outside can still be a list. So, although it would be nice if it was who cares? Let's just be consistent. So this we're gonna use here. Sec. Okay. So sec dot group, and then we pass fun. Do we need to put a comparison? No, I suppose we don't. Like the comparison thingy.
What do you mean
They
by a
were.
comparison thingy?
Do you remember when we were sorting and we had to use the compare function to
No,
do
you're
it?
gonna have to use. Well, you're gonna have to return a boolean out of this thing.
Yeah, so I hope don't. Yes. So okay. Wait, do we pick two things?
Yes.
Why do we pick two things?
Because you're gonna do something, something about them. Uh,
Dude, let me show you how the F sharp is.
yeah, dev sharp I assume is the same one as Haskell. So
Uh, document. I don't know because well,
no, but I know that you don't know, but it's probably like I believe in F sharp.
group. Let's see. So there's group, but there's group by. I think. No, there's no group. Okay, it's just group by. But yeah, but it uses this projection here. Oh, it highlights, which just picks a thing and spits the key, like the thing by which you will order stuff. You see?
Mm-hmm.
But I think it can only do that because of .NET interfaces on the background. But like they implement a comparison and so on.
Let me
Ah,
check if Haskell's follow which convention, just to be sure.
yeah, this is okay. Let's see on how to group by. Sec dot group by.
Oh
Okay.
no, Haskell's group by also uses the one by one to like receive two elements in the group function. Yeah. So I'm assuming the purpose is that you're gonna compare them in some manner.
Well, using the compare, that's kind of cursed.
Yeah, but it can be anything else. Like I don't know if one is greater than the other or whatever.
You know what I miss in their Erlang? That's the only thing I miss over there. Is that they give you examples in the standard lib, in the
Yeah, no,
documentation.
OCaml really suffers from this, unfortunately. I noticed this last time as well.
List group function in OCaml. Let's see. So yeah. So this. First of all, we need to be aware that if f of xy is equals true, and f of xz is equals true, then f of y. Okay, so the transitive also works.
Yeah.
Let's see here. So group. This is the function. Grouping. It picks an accumulator. Oh no, man, this is so grug. I mean, I understand it's a way to do, but it's basically just partitioning and then recursing, accumulating the things. Like,
Yeah, pretty much.
man, like it sucks that. Why doesn't he have like a standard one? Like, this is what I think it's so weird
What
out
do you
of
want
this.
to do with this with the group function? Yeah, just to be sure.
I just wanted this. Like, I wanted to basic look at the type here. You see the string and the int 32?
Yeah.
I just want to basically group by them, so I get everything that is part of this table. So I don't have to loop over the first time and say, okay, this is this table. You see? So this is already enforcing order, because in this way I think we're gonna have to sort the thing.
Wait, I'm a
Uh,
little bit confused. So you want to do that to get all the ones within the same table, you said, right?
yeah. So for two things, the first is sorting. We need to store all the things together. So all the things that go for this table, we need to jam them together.
Wait, I think I am confused. Do you agree that this triplet is composed out of the name of a table, the columns, the
Yes.
metadata of the column
Yes,
serialized to
but
XML?
think of this. It could be person. Let's think there are two things, right? So person, blah blah blah, blah,
Yeah, XML
and
and then
one.
one.
And then you have another one, which is let's put like user and then purchase, something like this. Let's say, and then UP2. So like this.
Yeah.
The problem is you have these two entries, and it's basically just replying these two entries because you have a list here.
Yeah.
Oh, but wait, never mind. I don't think you can have. Okay, the inside is a sequence, so it's a there. Yeah, so never mind. I don't think we need group
Yeah,
because
that's
here.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. I was just daydreaming here then. Halluc-
No, maybe I was the one confused. That's why I asked.
no, I was hallucinating. Okay, so we can just print the first time and then loop once and then loop again. Okay, so it will be something like
Yeah, the first thing that
that.
I think I'm also a little bit confused is that we're not gonna create XML based on the triplet, right? Like we're not gonna pick the int and the string in the beginning of on the triplet and transform that to XML, right? So that's the
Wait, sorry, say it again.
um, actually never mind. Do your thing first. I'm gonna grab more food there and I'm gonna
Uh,
be back.
do we have a way on this XMLM to generate one XML node and append other things inside of it?
Yeah, I searched for that a little bit and I didn't find anything, but I didn't do it in the way that you are doing it, which is smarter. Um,
There's a lot of junk, but I don't think this is
I don't think
anything
it's
valuable.
inside the T though. I think it's in the side inside the other one. Yeah,
Yeah, the T is
that
the type version away.
off bool. Isn't it this? Like off string. That's what we want.
We want toString
No,
instead.
to string. What do you mean? Don't you want to grab a string and transform that to XML?
Okay, I wanted to basically get. Yeah, but I need to add a child. I don't know how to do it. Like
Yeah,
even if I
that's
convert it to that,
yeah.
I
I
don't know.
agree. I agree that the organization later is gonna be a hassle.
Let's see if I type this blah. Can I use this? Oh, let me just do this. No. So yeah, there is no easy. What was the name? Easy.
Easy XLM dot XML. Yeah, easy
Easy
XLM.
XM. Man, what the heck name is this?
Easy XML. That's the name.
Yes, but what? Okay, then we have filter from input get.
Yeah, I was looking at the documentation of this and I didn't find how to do the concatenation of nodes, unfortunately.
So data from string. Oh, two strings. Sorry. I think it's this data and this EL.
The code of this is not huge. You can take a look on that, the source code of the Easy XMLM. I'll be back.
I honestly I don't want. hmm Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so we're gonna have to do by hand. So we fold. I don't recall which one comes first. Fold left. This is the ACC, and then it's the first. So ACC always come first. And element. Okay, so we give the serialized list, which is not a list anymore. And here it is not this either.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, and we pick this thing and then we do. So let's see. This is gonna be
Okay, so which approach you
fun.
decided to do?
Just a string and then we bind ourselves. I couldn't discern what to bind the things in the library and honestly understand that. So let's just try to bind it the most Greg way possible. So ACC concat with the string that we're gonna generate. So what we are generating is essentially the name. So we need to put the slash n, and then we need to put the. I could use this as printf, right? I'm dumb. Printf as printf that picks the previous ACC, a new line. Then it picks the, and then on the new line it starts table. Let's put the header so we know. This is kind of what we were doing, but well, in a
Yeah.
different way. So table, and then we put the string again, and then we know that the next thing should be the role ID. So let's put the role ID is 32, right? So it's LD, I think. And then the last thing is after this, we put an N, and then we need to serialize the lane. It's this thing here. So we need to loop over the lane as well. Oh, sorry. The thing inside the. Let's dismember this thing, man.
Yeah,
Let's
that
do
makes
like this.
sense. That makes sense.
So table name,
I
the
really don't understand why you would make a library for XML manipulation and you don't add the bind. Like, why?
I don't know. They probably have a reason like laziness. Could be. Well, I'm not gonna criticize them. I'm also lazy. Uh, role ID, role ID, and then the thing in the middle is the string. It's the attributes for the table. So let's call it attributes. That is more like it. And then instead of this, we pass. Oh, but it's a list, right? Or
Yeah,
am
we
I
have yeah, we
daydreaming
have a
here?
list of lists, dude. The attributes is a list.
Oh no, but wait, it's a folder, so never mind.
Yeah.
So yeah, this should be okay. So I just forgot to end the thing here. Oh, here actually. Oh no, wait, it is ending. Why is it breaking? This expression has the type string, but the expression with is expected with the type blah 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 blah.
Are you adding the accumulator in the right place? Isn't Okamo's accumulator like cringe?
It is a, isn't it?
Let me grab the fold left here.
Yeah, the accumulate is a, and then a is the beginning. So
No,
it
no,
is the
no. But the
first.
accumulator comes. The accumulator comes after.
No, but dude, a
Oh no,
is
you're
a.
right. You're right. You're right. You're right. Sorry, 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 sorry. Yeah, you're right.
But I recall that you were mentioning we faced the problem of composition, right? The thing was
Yeah,
in the middle.
yeah.
Let's see. I'm actually curious now. No, it is not. I don't think that is the problem. But why is it expecting a type string to enter 32? Does this make sense? What's the name? Ah, man. Let's just keep using the.
That's use what?
Keep using as it was, like this. What's the type of LA?
A triplet.
Yes, it is a triplet, dude. That's not the
I
problem.
think LSP is just broken. It's trying to derive
Could be.
something wrong.
Uh, no, man. There's something wrong here. If we try to compile this, that will be pretty sure. So the ACC, what's the type of the ACC? Let me force the typing of stuff. What? What?
Yeah,
Okay, the types are right.
yeah, the problem is gone, no? He's not complaining anymore.
Yeah, but what? It couldn't infer the type of ACC because of this? Like, this is stupid. Anyway, ACC, I'm not questioning anymore. I don't know if you know. Table name, and the row ID. Okay, now the last thing is that we need to do here is attribute. Okay, so attributes, they are a
XML.
smaller sequence
Yeah.
that we also need to fold. So let's just do the same trick. Stack.fold left attributes, and then we pass fun. I'm gonna specify the type because I don't want bullshit. And then you're gonna pass it's just a tuple. So it is the name of the attribute, name attr, and the already serialized fee, right? Um, that we should convert to a string, by the way, but serialized field. Oh, attr, whatever. So this is an XML, easy XML M node. Okay. Okay. So this spits a ACC, and then it's a complaining because it was expecting null because of this stupidity. So you need to bind it. Okay. And then here, after that, we put this because it should be a string. And then what's going to be the name of that? That's going to be attributes.
Attributes is already being used up there.
Yes, shadowing is not a problem here.
I wonder how it's not failing because how you were asking to print. You were asking to print. Wait. Oh no, you didn't add the attributes yet, so that's why it allowed the type checking worked. Okay. When you add the attributes, I think everything will break because well, we're gonna have to convert the XML back to string, I guess.
Let's see. So I hope that it's just this. So we pick the ACC. We pick slash n. We pick we write first attribute. Okay. We're kind of doing everything by hand, dude. This is what pissing me off.
Well, yes, because we don't know how to serialize to XML tuples. That's why.
I'm kind of thinking. Yeah, tuples, they are a problem. But I think we're gonna fall into a lot of other problems. But I don't see much the benefit of just serializing the type. Like, we're literally just serializing the type. The rest we're doing ourselves like monkeys again. Anyway, so I'm just renting already. So this and the
Well,
attribute.
we are also serializing the metadata.
True.
Like the field metadata is completely done by the library. Only the name of the table, then the row ID, and the name of the columns.
It's still more work than I wanted it to be.
I wanted to ask you, how did you solve that problem in F Sharp in your version?
I literally used the Microsoft's contract library that it serializes everything by magic. And even if I couldn't, I can just use any other library that does the same. Easy. Dude, I took like 20 minutes to do it. It was very dumb. Like, to test and compress. I did everything.
So how did you
Um,
manage to
hmm?
how did you serialize the what we are modeling here as tuples, right?
As tuples.
Yeah, it doesn't need to be. It could be a record
Yeah,
or whatever.
it was a map, right? So I literally just added like contract and then specify, then it converts to a record.
Oh, so it does. Wait, you said something
Kind of a
different now.
record. Yeah, kind of a record. It's an object where you have only two things, and the first element of the tuple, and then the second is the second object. That's it.
Hmm.
Why is this function weird? You receive. Okay, it's those two things. They're nullable, I guess. They're not nullable, optional. So we can just pass it. I hope.
Seems to have worked.
Yeah, but not here. Uh,
Wait, so you're telling me that you converted the map to some sort of record in F sharp and that worked, right?
yes, because
Couldn't
the
we do the
maps are not
same here?
modules there. The library doesn't allow you to do that. That's the
No, no,
problem.
no, no, no. Couldn't we convert the map to something else that the library knows how to serialize?
At least that's what we're doing. But that's Greg. We're literally redoing everything by hand.
Yeah, no, no, no. I see that we are redoing stuff, but hmm. Okay, so let's search for that because if we can convert a list to XML.
But this should be a string. Stop fooling around. And I mistyped because I'm dumb.
Um,
Ah, okay. There are more attributes. I'm stupid. So the ACC comes first, and then the name ATTR, and the X, which works. So I can just do this. This is a lot of boilerplate.
oh yeah.
And this is still broken. Why? Dude, I'm specifically gonna force, although multiple things should do it. Okay. Why? This expression has type string, tubal.
Yeah, and then Emacs is just. I think it's easier to just try to build. The error message will be easier to read.
I think so. So look at that type. XML m/1.t. What the heck, dude? We have fractional types.
Yeah, this is getting weird. Um,
I can't read this then. What is here? What here is still an XML? Like you see that it's not. This is the initial type,
yeah. Where
and
is
then
the
we have a
unit
unit.
coming from?
I don't know. It's probably some function I forgot to
Guys,
apply
printf returns
somewhere.
what?
Oh wait, serialized. No. Yeah. Okay. So this is the fold. Let's break lines here. It's hard to read. So this. So these are the arguments, and then we have let that picks this and splits this. So this is ending there. Good.
Yeah.
Then inside we're picking attributes, which is another fold. Let me get this away. If this didn't highlight everything, it would help. Then we pick fold left, and then we fold left. We unpack the accumulator, the name of the thing,
Yeah,
and
this
the
is the name of the
attribute.
column and then the attribute of the column.
And then I'm going to break this again, this as well. Okay, bro, what is the problem?
I wonder if Shadow is screwing us over.
Ah, man, it shouldn't be. Dude, it annoys me deeply that it doesn't show me the type of this shit when I'm highlighting.
Yeah, I agree. It annoying. It's very annoying.
So let me type stuff here. So this should be a string. This is should be a string. There's no other. It's even on the mask here. S. And I'm forgetting to apply something and I done? Or am I forgetting a parentheses? No, I'm not. Dude, what is wrong with you? I don't even need this. I hope. What the heck?
Can you remove the shadowing just to be sure?
Oh, what is shadowed here?
The
Attribute.
attributes. Call it attributes, whatever. No, 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 not there. That is
Oh,
attributes.
yes.
That
No,
is.
wait. Where is attribute? Is inside the let, and then I just.
Yeah, these attributes come from the outer
Yeah,
fold,
this is
right?
not even shadowing. Yeah, but
No, no,
this,
no.
and then I
This is
put it
attribute
here.
X. Yeah. Yeah, it
Same
didn't
thing.
solve the problem. Didn't solve the problem.
Hmm.
Huh. That's weird.
Well, the only solution is trying to break things into functions. So let's try to do this.
But the expression was having the type. Oh, wait. What is the type of easy XML to string? What is the type of that?
The type of this is this, which are options, and then receives nodes and returns a string. If I get this thing, so this expression is a string.
Yeah, no, but you see that if you go to the error, if you go to the error message, you see that the only difference is that one is the XML.nodes and the other one is the fractional nonsense.
Yes.
So I believe we are doing something wrong. Like the inference, what is inferring is wrong because it's inferring XML the fraction, and we actually want the node stuff.
Okay, this is clown tech, if that's the case.
So my first
I
intuition.
forgot the. Let me break down into attributes here, and then I'll put attributes equals to what is attributes here, not here. This is weak.
And that
Huh.
means that the type inference is not strong enough to know what that
Yeah,
is.
yes, but how? Because this is getting directly from here. So it was an easy XML node, tuple actually. Huh. Well, let's do it specifically the same thing. So it is a list. Oh, sorry, a sequence sec.t, and then it is a string with the easy XML m dot node, I guess.
Okay, now this is breaking.
Because why? In used variables here. Oh wait, I need the in here. But why is this breaking? This. Okay, this is funny.
Oh, oh, wait there. You see, there's an S. There's an extra S there. This expression was expected to have type string star easy xml.node, but it is getting xml.nodes in plural. Ah, okay. You
Oh,
see?
I see. I see. Oh, indeed, it takes nodes. What is nodes? Well, how is nodes different than node?
That's the question.
Okay, but I just want to convert one. Can't I? Oh, nodes? Oh, okay. Nodes is a node list. So,
Yeah,
okay, you can already serialize.
lists.
Yes. Oh, it's just hidden, man. But okay, let's keep doing what this, and then we're gonna do this. That's it. So here, instead, we remove this, and then these attributes here. Wait, is this the one? Yes, it is the one that we pass to the
Serialize one.
serialize one, terrible name, and then we pass attributes. It works. So indeed, it was just that because of one letter. Okay, it compiled.
This just to be to be recorded. This is the kind of sharp eye when you see error messages like that, because that error message is very like Haskell error messages. Like the
Yeah,
one that
because
I noticed.
have you seen the closure or messages?
No.
Yes, don't. They there are no error messages. There's just like the stack trace vomiting at you. Okay, so we have a schema I think on the main, right?
Yeah.
We do.
The
Okay, so
very
let me
sad
start.
part is that because we are doing all of this ourselves instead of just transforming everything to XML, the deserialization is also going to have to do ourselves,
We will, indeed,
which is really sad.
which is really painful. Okay, at least this is going well. Could it be lemons?
Nah,
Could it be
I don't really believe on it, but okay.
serialize? See here, and then what does serialize take? It takes a schema and then it splits a string. Good
Yeah.
enough. So it just schema. Whoa, that's it.
Indeed, XML.
Okay, it's truncated. There's a long string of like bullshit here. Has in there. So can we write this to the disk? Let me write. Oh no, writing is hard. Why?
What do
Okay.
you mean writing is hard?
Uh, writing no command. It will open the channel, writes the
Yeah, but this is
thing.
already commented there.
Oh, I was doing. We were doing it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I'm just being. It's even the same name.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Cool. That's it. This should be it.
yes, it should. Okay. So let's see.
Yeah, the only problem that really sucks is that how we gonna, dude, how we gonna know that, oh, from this point to this point of this file, use the deserialization that comes from the lib, right? How are you gonna know that?
Well, we roll by points, by positions, which is not ideal, but we can. Like this. Like this serialization would be something like this. Okay, table. I found a table. Okay, good. You found a table. Now keep reading until you see another table or another procedure, let's say. And then table, okay. The next I know I should expect attribute. And then we need to fix these new lines here. And then okay, what does why is it written twice?
What is written twice?
It's written twice, isn't it?
No.
It is. Age, name. Let me
I'm a little
delete
bit
this whole file.
confused.
I emptied the file. Let me
How many
delete.
tables do we have in the schema?
Just one, I think.
Are you sure?
I can confirm. But well, it's just one under.
Yeah, it is just one, just person.
I mean, let me break this. Oh no, I don't want to. Yeah, just age, and then we just make person here.
Yeah, so we are indeed writing it twice.
Oh no, wait. Those are. Oh, okay. No, no, no. We're not. Like there are two. I just renamed with like
No, no,
person one and
but
person
then the
two.
writing is wrong because we only see ABC. We don't see person.
I see ABC. Yes. Oh no, person is here.
Oh.
There's just no new line here.
Ah. Okay. So it's right.
Yeah. Okay.
At
So
least that.
let's see how it is. So record type and then t integer 32. This is very useless.
What do you mean?
I mean, dude, like, okay, like we're just gaining this for a bonus, like this record position, but
No. We are not getting only this for by bonus. We are basically we do if we know like, oh, from this line to this line is just like what we use in the lib. We can just call the lib again to deserialize.
Yes, we can, but
It doesn't really matter like how the lib
yeah,
does its thing.
uh, yeah, we can. Let's try. Oh, it's over already. The time. I don't know. Do you want to continue? I can.
Yeah, no, we're not done. We have 20 minutes.
Oh, okay. We started late, I guess.
Yeah, we started late
Okay,
today.
so serialize. Let's put this this, like, if I know how to type this here. Okay. And then we pick a schema T. All of this would be trivial if the library a little bit more. So we don't do this actually. We just pick the file, right? To read from. Let's just pick a string, whatever. Uh, schema serialize schema. Let's put the real names. And a new line here. Okay, so how should it be? Let me open it here so I don't pick like this. Okay, so let's think, Lebus. So
If you
we look.
really think about it, if we had the serialization for tuples and lists, this would be done.
Yes,
Completely done. Oh
we
man,
could
that pisses
convert
me off so much.
the tuples to records, but they're doesn't serialize. Yeah, but that should be like more boilerplate because we need to make a type. You see what I mean?
No.
Like you can convert a
Oh,
tuple to
convert a
a
tuple to a record using a
record.
dummy type.
Yes.
Ah man.
Yeah, I don't want to do it. I prefer to just do it by hand, like in this. So let's just continue. So let's do the monkey work. So deserialize, and then I'm kind of thinking if there was a way to break this from this, like we can separate by table, I guess. Can't we? What
No,
happens
because
if we?
maybe we have procedures.
No, no, okay, but let's ignore that and let's assume this for now. That makes it a lot easier.
Okay.
So that would help, I think. Let's do on string. Oh, I forgot that the string standard library sucks because it doesn't have anything.
Oh yeah. Also sucks.
Split. Yeah, it only splits in a char, which is very
Oh no no
dubious.
no no! But we made this function already. Go up.
Where?
Go up. Scroll up. There.
Okay, the suffering's paying off. So I pick a separator. Oh, thankfully I didn't delete this. Oh man. Okay, so we pick lines to
Yeah, we
string
got
list,
pissed because we didn't have split, and then oh, screw it. Let's make our own.
and then it just splits a string list. Okay, which are the lines of the
Yeah.
things inside that. Okay, conform with this separate.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna have chunks with the attributes inside, and then we can split again. Okay, so let's use this.
Yeah,
I like
if
that.
we make the split and then we can grab the XML, we can just call the lib and then we're done.
So okay, so separator, it's going to be table. Let's just see what it gives me. I'm not sure. Table, and this should be a string list. Uh, with the lines, right? So wait, with the lines, is that true?
Yeah, with the lines.
Where's that thing to go? Oh, here. Uh, okie dokie. Kind of the same thing we were doing before.
Yeah.
Separator, string, then it just separates. I am not sure how this works because this is separating by the line. You see?
Yeah.
So what we need to do? Okay, what? Okay, all we need to do is this. That separates attributes.
Yeah, pretty much. That works.
Okay, so that's it. So let me
Oh
copy the sample
boy.
note. Okay, can put a tab there, whatever. But okay, so it separates this,
We need to remember
and
to put
then
this in the serialization as well.
yes, yes. Well, we're probably not gonna use like this, but it's very dubious to use this. And
Imagine
then
if you have a content in a table. No, 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 that can't be right. Like that would mean like that we have a column with this name. Yeah, that would be bad.
yeah, well, everything is already bad. Oh, one more thing to the table, man. Okay, so groups, they are now, they should have all the things corresponding to one table. So in theory, we can basically go on the first line before the. Okay, we can split again.
Oh yeah, we can use the
We can
split
split
mode a lot of
again.
times.
So uh, I'll call tables. I know it's not all tables. There should be
Yeah, 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 yeah,
procedures
yeah,
as
yeah,
well,
yeah, yeah.
but
But
we'll
that's
just
okay.
have that.
Yeah, but that's okay.
So, and then we have attribute. Okay, we have. Okay, it's gonna be mixed up, right? All mixed. Uh, whew. Tables is a string list. Okay, so we should iterate over each one of these.
Simple.
Uh, tables and attributes, something like this, and then we do list dot map, and then we call split groups with a new line, and then we pass the, well, just this. Oh, with the tables.
Dude, I know it's gonna break the like your
It's a string list.
brainstorm. No, no, no. Yeah, but I just had an idea. Like I don't know if this would work. Could we
Okay.
make a type, like a type like type written just typing like type whatever ABC equals to list, just a type alias and just ask for deriving of XML and just have like the alias of the list as the deriving of the XML. You see what I
I
mean?
don't know if I don't know if it can serialize a list. It should. I don't know if it does.
No, 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 yeah,
If it
but
does,
I'm talking about trying to hack it. You see? Can you make a type alias right now? Like go to outside
okay,
of the end block there
okay,
and like
say.
do type ABC equals
Uh-huh.
to whatever is the representation of the list type.
Well, it needs to be parametric. So
Sure.
just this.
And now you add the deriving. Just copy paste from up there. Yeah, this. Grab this and put it there.
Not sure this is going to work.
Dude, now you comment the serialize function because it's
I
not
don't know.
done yet. Yeah, try
That's
to
the
build
function.
this.
Let's try to call it actually on the main. So it's ABC, right?
Like if this
So
works, this is just like, dude.
we can try the tuple as well. Let's
Yeah, the
see.
top as well.
So okay, we're hacking the thing.
Yeah, we are basically
So
doing what they should have done.
so let's mail the. It's on AST, right? Oh no, it's on schema.
Yeah.
Sorry. Uh,
You're gonna have to do ABC underscore whatever. Underscore to XML.
and
XMLM.
then
XMLM.
and then
Yeah.
we pass an ABC here. So an
Yeah.
ABC is going to be what?
Yeah, it's a list, right? So
An ABC is just a list. So
I'm assuming the type inference will find the parametric part, right? I'm assuming that.
yes, it should. Actually, we can be even dumber. We can say int
ABC?
uh, ABC.
Oh,
Oh, maybe.
schema.abc. And don't forget to add the in at the end of the let. Yeah. Okay, try to build this. Forget LSP. Just screw it. Okay. So,
This expression of type int list was an expression with the type a to.
dude. What?
So
That means that it worked.
so the function exists. It is
What the hell?
what? Huh? I what?
So it
Oh,
is
dude.
possible to hack it. Awesome.
Oh, here it is here. See, it is a A2. Oh, dude, look at that.
What?
Okay, it picks a how to serialize the thing inside. So that's easy, I guess. I hope. How do you serialize an integer? Well, it should be just
Wait,
XML
I'm very confused on
m
what do you mean by that.
to oh,
Oh, it is because it is
it is
parametric, right?
parametric. Exactly. So
Ah,
okay, we just need to serialize an integer. How do we do that?
that's a question.
Easy XML m dot uh, from int, I guess. Int. Is
From
there?
int doesn't appear to be a thing.
Hold on.
Member. There are no integers.
I have
Can you
include
try? Can you try instead of easy XMLM, just XMLM?
oh XMLM.
Yeah, dot. Okay, so what do we have in here? Input,
Make
blah blah
input.
blah blah.
PP. Quack 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 quack.
No,
Yeah,
but
but
this is very close. The least part is the
yeah,
hardest part.
but here's the thing: we can do this. We can put other things in here that are serializable. So a type right now is right. So
Yeah,
a type dot. Oh wait, a type dot
t integer.
t integer. Yeah, let's put like just this. That's fine. Uh, and then here it changes to type dot and primitive. And then here we pass type dot
Uh,
primitive to XMLM and build. Okay, this
I can't
is
believe.
okay. Let's try the tuple. Let me
Dude,
try the tuple.
you can make an alias for the primitive types, and just derive all of them.
Well, we don't know about all of them, but let's see.
Wait, what is
Oh,
that?
and yeah, because they need to be parametric, but yeah, it's not like this on them. So I'm
Just
mistaking stuff. It
just
should be
call it
here.
tuple, right? Instead of ABC, we can call this tuple.
Yeah, yeah, but I need to pass this.
Yeah, you need.
Did you mean poly A? What do you mean? Okay,
How
ABC. Tuple.
tuple?
Tup, because I think there's already tuple. And
Do you need to break things apart? Like, do you need to add spaces on there?
I don't know. Did you mean poly A or poly B?
How to make parametric types in OCaml?
Yeah, but it should be like with two of them. I don't know how to do with two.
Parametric types. Uh, uh,
Yeah, this receives two things, but oh.
did we do this in Fractamo? Let me check.
Two.
Fractamo.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
but I need to say so myself. That was a big brain idea.
yes, that was very okay. So it passes a tuple. I was right. Wow. Okay. Uh,
Dude.
that is kind of unexpected, but
Oh, dude. Uh, that's it. Now that we have this, we are done, bud.
okay, this would save us a lot of time.
Oh yes. we need to tell Nathan this. What a big brain move.
Totally not a tuple. Dude, totally not a tuple.
Oh, so basically,
And
so
then,
maybe that's why they don't have the defaults, because they expect everybody to make their own.
which is kind of sucky, but yeah, makes more sense. So what does it take? It takes now two because there are two parametric types.
Yep.
Perfect.
Oh, but we have
Okay.
a problem.
Mhm.
One of the tuple members will be a string, so we need to discover how to serialize a string.
I think you can serialize it from string. Like, let's put down the beginning, right? So like this. So you can, I believe, you can do something like easy XML m dot from string. Yes, you can.
Are you sure? What is the type signature of this function?
Well,
String.
it takes a string
It
and then it
returns a
splits a
tuple.
node. Yes, this is cringe. Please just.
Oh man, we are so fucking close.
Well, we are gonna need to wrap the string as well.
Why? That's the only question. Why?
I mean, there was a string module here. Here. Yeah, but that's definitely not it. Easy XML m. I need to rethink when I do this. Nodes, members, has string is not what we want.
Can you try? Wait, you just tried xml dot capital module string, right? You just tried that.
Yeah,
According to the docs, there should be inside the string module. It should be an off string.
there is nothing.
Should we trust LSP?
Well, inside XML m or inside the module string. I don't
No,
think you did
inside
inside here.
XMLM, there's
Mm-hmm.
another module called string, and
Yes,
inside that there's a function called offString.
of string, which is like this, right? Written
Yes,
like this.
yes.
Okay.
So my first question would be, are we opening the correct thing? Like in the beginning?
I.
Can you try that? Open XMLM.
Oh, that's just gonna limit the namespace, right? We should open the ppx thingy,
No, this is
the
not PPX.
wagon.
This is not PPX. This is like another XML thing. But
Yes, I
maybe they're
know
not
the
compatible.
library.
Maybe they're not
Yes.
compatible. You're right.
Just a second. Okay, we're very
Very what?
continue.
Okay, I have an idea actually. I had the solution in my mind.
Okay, let me just finish this thing here. So totally not a list. The
What the
names of the
hell?
things.
Wait, yeah,
What are you
what was
submitting?
that?
Okay, the exception, all the truth
Yeah, this
table.
is the generated ones.
Okay, so this is a tuple, right? So we pass two
Yeah, we
things.
passed through things.
Uh,
But that's the thing. The solution to the string problem is function composition. You compose easy XLM from string with second.
just a second. String t, this. Oh, it's not like this. Sorry, it's like this. And then this is not this. This is a tuple with a some name here. This. Okay, so what did you say?
Yeah, the solution to serialize a string is to do easy xlm dot from string, and then you compose that with second.
To string,
No,
and then you
from
compose.
string. I think it's from
Oh,
string.
yeah, but it is not. It's still not that because there
Now
it's a
you
mode. So you need to. There's no.
there's no
You need,
compose.
yes, there's no compose. We need to make it ourselves.
Ah.
So we need to pipe. Oh, we can pipe. Just do our own. Let's. Oh, we can make like this module easy x. And we do. Uh,
um,
well,
I don't
what do you
know.
think is
From
the
string comma whatever.
from string? Oh, we can shadow it.
Sure.
Yeah, I don't care.
I believe you are making it
Normal.
unsafe, but okay.
Yeah, who cares?
Okay,
No,
so
it's just gonna be here.
you need to
But
receive a thing. You need to receive a thing.
so we need to receive a.
Yeah, a string is no a string, a string, a string, a string. It is a string. Sorry. Then you do
So it is
that, and then you need to do pipe second. Yeah, it should be something like this. That's it. That's it.
oh.
I don't know what we are missing, but we are missing something.
Yeah,
Oh
but
no,
we
it
need to.
worked now.
Yeah, it is nodes. We need to pick.
Why it
First,
is nodes? I'm
because if it's
confused.
a string, it can be many things. But we don't care. We're just gonna. So let's just put a first. So list head.
Okay,
Totally
so
unsafe
it's
because
completely unsafe then.
yeah, this can explode, but well, I don't care.
Two,
So
two partial. No, actually, uh, yeah, it
there
is a
is.
partial
Oh, but
function.
we shadowed every. Man, you gotta be kidding.
What do you mean?
Are you?
What's the problem?
What?
What's the problem?
Oh, come on.
What's the
So
problem?
okay, so do you understand the modules? They are different than in F sharp, right?
Yeah,
So how they are different? They are values.
yeah.
They're not like blocks.
Namespaces.
Like yes, they're in F sharp. They're literally namespaces. There's no difference.
Yeah.
So in F sharp, you can. I do this all the time, which is shadowing a thing with the name of the library. So let's suppose that I was using XML, and then I just say, okay, I want to keep using the rest, but I want to extend it with my own function.
Yeah.
Let's see, like for example, we don't have result. I wish it had a I don't know this certain bind, weird bind here. Okay, like the fish operator, let's say, and then I can just do module result. You see,
Mhm.
and then I can make my own here inside. That would work fine in F sharp. Why
Yeah.
doesn't it work in OCaml? Because I'm attributing a new block, a new value to this module. So I'm shadowing the previous module that we had there.
Where
So
are you
it's
seeing the error
destroying.
in this case?
Sorry?
Yeah, you're saying that we are overriding, right?
Yes. Essentially, yes.
Yeah. So
So we
what's the
need to
problem?
name it.
Where is failing? Where the thing is failing? Yeah, that
Oh,
works. That works actually.
we can make our own like set of XML stuff, but let's do that later. Yeah, like this.
Does this work? Can you try to build this?
Well, build is, I think it will, but if it works, it's totally different. Fatal error, execution, expected root element.
What?
So it was raised by the from input that uses a from string. So maybe, maybe.
I'm
I
very
think it
confused.
is. I think it is expecting something like this. This is
Are you
strange.
serious right now?
I think, unfortunately, I think I am.
No, it is the same.
No, but I think it's the bar. How is the bar? No, sorry. Is it the bar? I think yes, right? To close tags. Yes, it is there.
Okay, so let's add that to our function there. Let's add that wrapping happening in the XML module that we just created instead of doing this.
Yes, but okay, but this is fine. We just need to do a toString later, right? So
Oh yeah.
we don't have to deal with this BS. So let's do element. Uh, we're just gonna
Ele-
concatenate, I guess.
I would do pipe and just do fun and that's it. But that works.
Just this. Ah, here
Okay, so
is
the moral of the story of today's session is that apparently it seems, at least from this experience that we just had, that OCaml people, they are used to do a lot of their stuff by their own. Like the library
again
provides
and
only the
again and
minimum
again and again
amount of stuff, and then
and
if you
again
want extra
and again.
stuff, just do it yourself.
Again and again
Oh
and
yeah.
again. Okay,
Or
but
you can make a
let's try to
library in
write.
your organization. Just yeah, forget about it.
Let's try to write. Does this easy XML has a toString so we can write? It does, right?
I
We use it.
I believe it has a toString. Yes, it does.
We're using it where?
There.
There.
Printf
Okay.
as printf.
So let's just write it here, just to test if this is working. So instead of writing this, let's just type. What does this take? Output string. Well, just a string. So easy XML. Man, typing this is horrible. I choose string and then we just pipe the X, which I don't know why is failing.
Oh, X is which type?
It's oh, this should be a list. Oh, okay. We can just pass X, Y. What will be of us?
Okay, I need to reopen the buffer, I believe.
This is it. Why is with T0 though?
We don't
This.
care. We don't care. We only
No,
care
but
if
we
you can
do.
deserialize.
Yes, we do. We need to because how are we gonna serialize? How the heck are we gonna serialize at the to make some?
I don't know what you mean. Can you repeat the question?
So okay, I'm just jamming stuff here. That's but focus on the second. It's a tuple, right? So it converted to a record
Yeah.
that I wonder if it knows how to convert a tuple now. But anyway,
No,
it is
probably
a
it
record.
does, but we just don't know.
So the first one, the position 1 is a t integer, and the position 0 it is a t0 is a tuple. So it is on the right order because this is a 0. I guess this is what it means.
It is in the opposite order, no? Like the second member is coming first?
Second member is
Yeah,
first.
the tuple has two
Yeah,
members. The second
yeah,
member
but
is
this
coming
order
first.
here doesn't really matter. This order here doesn't matter. Like it doesn't matter if it comes before the other.
Yeah, but I don't think we need to care about the T1 and the T0 because we're just gonna call the deserialization that is being automatically generated for us, no?
We can try to pass. Let's see. Can we deserialize this? That's a good question. So how would we do this? It should have the
Exactly.
off. Yeah, but let's see on this here. So it should be on totally not a tuple.
Oh yeah. No.
Totally
Wait,
not
wait,
a
wait, wait,
tuple.
wait. Uh,
Oh, totally not a tuple of
yes,
XML.
yes.
And
Oh
then
no,
this
but this is
just
the
keep.
safe version. This is the safe version. We are not doing safe, so
Yeah.
it is that. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, so we just pick the two types and the node.
Yeah, we need
Like
to teach it how to convert.
yeah, the types
Uh,
here
so it's
and
basically toString and off XMLM there.
this is the Y. So
Yes.
easy XML m dot to string.
No, no, it's
Please
not in here. It's not in here.
here.
Wait, I'm very confused. Why do we need the easy XMLM to string on the right side? I'm
Why
very
do we need
confused.
the easy XML? Well, to convert this thing is not a string. It's a node.
But isn't that what we want? Like, how
No, no,
do
no,
you?
no, no, no. This should. Oh no, wait. This is a node.
Yeah,
I wanted to read. How do we read from a string?
that's a very good question.
Because we need to read from a string and compose this trash. So how do we do that? Do we have something like that? Like easy XML m from. We have from string, but we don't pass a type. What is that DDT? XML m DDT. You see there?
Yeah, DDD,
DDD.
DTD,
DTD. Oh man.
DTD. Yes, that is a thing that appears to be some sort of. I don't know how to explain it, but uh, when we do the second on the from string,
Hmm.
the thing that is on the first member of the tuple is this.
Yes.
But I don't know what it is, being honest. Oh, but it is
Right.
inside another module, dude. It is inside XMLM.
Yes, that's what I'm concerned.
That
Like
that we can try to look at. So what is DTD?
it is a type that is. Oh, it's just an alias for a
It's an alias for what?
string option.
Oh,
Wait. No, 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 no. What?
completely went to hell the
No, no,
type
no, no.
inference.
DTD. Well, let me check the complete. So there. It is an alias to string option.
It is an alias to string option.
Which is very odd. Maybe that's an error message?
Yeah, maybe that's it actually.
Why call it DDT though? DTD. Like,
Probably
what?
there's a meaning behind it, but we don't know.
Or maybe, yeah. Okay. So,
Well, there's no comment on it on the source code.
awesome. Awesome. Beautiful. Man,
There's
like, this
completely
one,
no.
I'm kind of inclined to just go and contribute to this like, in documentation. That's the.
Yeah, totally could do that.
I think we're the only, like, losers in the world using this thing that are having trouble with it. So,
Yeah, pretty
yeah,
much.
so this sucks because we don't have. Let me just check again, dude. I'm incredulous. Totally not a tuple. 2XML. Yeah, dude, this is very stupid because we can convert to XML, but we can convert from a string back to this easy XMLM. I don't know how to do that. It's probably from. Oh, we looked here, right?
Wait.
XML
Can we take a look again on the type signature that is asking for the things?
signature that is asking for the thing.
Yeah, the other one,
No,
the one that is automatically generated. Yeah, totally not a tuple of XML. It is asking for two things, right?
it is asking for
Two
two types.
functions,
Two functions for the types
the
and
node.
the node. Yes, which shows me that this is not. No, this is right. So it should be just this. But we don't know what
No,
is
no, no.
this.
But we know the second. The second is type dot primitive of XMLM, right?
Yes, but the problem is not that, dude. The problem is that we need to get the so recon. I don't know Z.
Yeah, no, no. But let's tackle one problem at a time. Let's just take a look on how we deserialize first from XML to our thing, and then later on we discover how we
Oh
read it.
wait. Oh wait. But this is different. This is Okay, this makes sense because this is the opposite.
Yes,
So it is
exactly. Off.
primitive of
Yeah.
this.
Yes.
And then we need to do a from string here.
I would be inclined to just try toString from easy XMLM just to see what happens. What the toString returns? I believe it returns a tuple. No, it doesn't. What the toString says? No, not from string, toString.
Is there a to string to begin with?
Yeah,
Yes. No, but that's not true. That's an off that we need.
we need off. Wait, you need off. Oh, you're right. You're totally right.
So the most important piece of it, which is writing, it's not here.
No, the writing is fine. We don't know how to read it.
No, yeah, the read, yes. You write, which is what I said. What I meant is like you write, then you lose the permission to bring it back. You see, like.
Let me think about it. Okay, we have two libs to take a look on.
And in
XM
C, this would be trivial.
in
Like this would be.
C.
Oh yes,
If
this
you're
would be
using external
stupid.
libraries, maybe.
No, dude. In C, no, not converting to XML. You literally dump binaries and just read them.
Okay, this I know the correct one though. XMLM dot offstring dot string dot offstring.
There was nothing on the to string, by the way, on the string.
No, not in easy XMLM.
Oh, it's on the other. I remember.
Yeah.
So XML.
XMLM dot string
Yeah,
dot
but there's nothing here. It's an interface. What? Or maybe it's just yeah. What the heck? There are no interfaces as far as I know.
offstring.
Yeah, there's nothing here off string.
Let's see. I don't know if I believe LSP. Can we try to build this?
Doesn't exist.
Unbound module.
There's no
Blah blah
module
blah.
type named string, but module.
Module types. Module types. I don't know what is a
So
module
this,
type.
I think we're lacking some library, maybe. Could be,
Can you
but
try
this is
to take
not.
a look on xml.m, just that, to see what we have there?
Yeah, but that
Input,
is not a
make
module.
input. Keep scrolling
Constructor.
down. Output, blah blah blah. Peak
Peak.
pause. DTD. DTD, okay. Name, pause, source. Yeah, we need to have access to the string submodule, dude.
There is
There.
this make. Wait. This. Oh. You see this make here?
Yeah.
So let me see. Yes. Huh. I think I got it.
Really.
Let me do it outside. So this, and then we pick a parameter. Oh, I think I see. So okay. So let's do module a abc equals this, where we pass a thing to it, which is a node, specific node. So we're gonna pass this jump.
What? I'm very confused.
I might be totally wrong here. Bullshitting. No,
I
but
have.
wait, that's a module. Wait, that's not a value. Why was it showing a? Yeah, you see here.
Yeah, I see there.
So we can probably serialize it back, but we need to pass the thing by which we are going to serialize it from. So ABC, if you check here, it doesn't have anything because it is expecting theory a. Man, this is not what I want. Let me move down here. I don't know why the LSP is retarded. So here a XML m dot make. Man, this completion is horrible.
Yeah, because this is not a
Here,
function. This is like a
functor
functor, whatever that
functor
means.
building streaming I/O with given strings and buffers. So that is what we want, I think. So this is exactly the same thing um, as the what's the name of the thing, dude? Ah, dude, what we were doing with the map. Like this is the map you build like this. But the point is what we pass here from this functor.
Ah,
You see? Because maybe we just pass a serializer and then it knows how to serialize back from string. Because it has the string inside. See?
ah.
So
Well,
this would be interesting. Now, what is XMLM dot, which is another mode?
yeah, that's what we want because the XML.string has the offstring, which is what we want right now.
Yeah, but I don't think it is just. It is this. 100 times. Yes, this is recursive. So it's not passing string either. Why is it? Syntax error. Oh, passing the T of string maybe. Um, schema. Tell me a type that we have that has a T. Schema
Uh,
has the entity.
no, schema. No, not entity is a separate. Yes,
Uh,
I
is it
think we
a
call it
primitive?
primitive now. Yeah, because of
Yeah,
the.
we don't know. I think it receives a function.
It receives a function.
Let's see on schema. Schema dot. Yeah, because it's a module. So pp no, totally not. Off XMLM, to XMLM. Cannot have any component. Okay, so it needs to have a type. Just mistaken here. Okay, we need a ton, dude.
Yeah, we need
28.
not the. Yeah, but anyway, at least today we discover how there is some sort of bug in terms of what the names of the types can be. It cannot be T. It needs to be something else. And we also discovered that in order to do this serialization and deserialization of the type of primitive
Oh,
types,
look. There's like a lot of errors from string and a bunch of shit. How do we access this stuff, dude? Do we have it from string here? Make output. Oh, do we see? Tell me screen if you see.
see what?
There's just a string here. Encoding name.
Yeah, if you want to see more information, I recommend you go into the source code. It's not very big. Just
Yeah.
search XMLM on OCaml and you're gonna find it.
Honestly, I just don't know.
But
Let me just.
we discover how to make how to serialize both the primitive types and the fancy ones. Which
Oh,
and it's just the sake of redoing that function, the serialization function, because we
yeah.
don't have to do those
If
written
we have
strings.
the yeah, if we have the thing to know, it should just redo the function because it is just like okay, you just serialize like XMLs, you split the things as you necessary.
Hey, and
Then it
just do the tuple, and that's it.
okay, so serialization. How do I name this? Serialization
Serialization of primitive type. So I don't
of
know.
primitives. That's good. Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna finish the recording now.
Okay.